So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Asylum. Today we are going to see that how to shut down our PC using C++. Okay, so for this we need two libraries. The first one is studio.h and the second one is studiolib.h. So first of all we need to include this stdio.h, and then we will include our stdlib.h. Then we'll open this int main function, and having a curly brace here we will write system and give the path here. For me it's C drive, then having two double backslashes Windows, then this system. If your system is 32-bit, give 32, or if it's 64, give it 64. Again two backslashes, then give the command to shut down, and then front slash, and then give the command S, and just close the string. Okay, and when you do it, press enter and write return 0, and return 0 and close the curly brace. Okay, so guys, if I run this program it will shut down my PC, and thus it will stop screen recording. Okay, so guys, this was this awesome program to shut down your PC. Just try it out. If it works, give this video a like, okay, and subscribe to my channel Coding Asylum. Thank you.